Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of resetting the Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues, troubleshooting problems, or simply preparing the device for a fresh setup, this quick and straightforward reset method will get your repeater back to working perfectly. Ensure that the Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 is securely plugged into a power outlet and powered on. You should see the indicator light illuminate, signaling that the device is functioning correctly and is ready for the reset process. A steady light indicates it's prepared for the next step in the reset. Start by examining your Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 closely. On the side of the device, you'll notice a small, recessed pinhole labeled Reset. This is the key to resetting the repeater. We'll use this button to initiate the reset process, so make sure you locate it clearly. Next, take a pin or paper clip and carefully press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you'll notice the indicator light begin to blink or flash. This flashing light indicates that the reset process has begun and the device is being restored to its default settings. Continue holding the reset button for a few more seconds after the light starts flashing. The Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 will automatically reboot, and the indicator light may blink for a short period. Once the reset is finished, the light will turn solid, indicating completion. Once the reset is complete, your Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 is ready to be set up again as if it's brand new. To begin the setup process, simply follow the straightforward instructions provided in the Mi Home app or access the web-based interface through your browser for an easy configuration. If you face any issues or require assistance during the setup process, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to provide support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll be happy to help resolve your concerns. And there you have it. Your Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 has been successfully reset and is now ready for a fresh setup. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.